Say that woman that is only dating the guy for his money. Because the moment that man, that rich man you with, leaves that wealth, that luxury life, it leaves, and then what do? You tend to move on to the next wealthy guy, the next, because you you like you like the lifestyle, but you're just not willing to put in the work. You're not willing to put in the effort. Nah, like life is not about that. Learn to become a woman that's dependent. You chase after your own bag. Don't chase after another man's bag. Because at the end of the day, it's kind of sad. Only going after a man's wants, not after his heart. Life lesson is go after the man's heart, not what's in his bank account. And it shouldn't also matter what's in his bank account.